Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, sat shri akal. I am telling you how to testing of residual current devices like RCCB, RCBO, RCD and ELCB. Mainly these devices used to detect and interrupting the circuits from leakage currents in between phase and neutral. We can switch on the tester with the rotating knob. In voltage mode, we can check the voltage line to earth and line to neutral. For phase angle selection and current setting, we have to rotate the knob as per shown picture. RCD test can be selected to a start from positive 0 degree or negative 180 degree, and also with pressing of current we can set the leakage current as mentioned in devices rating milliamp. After setting of 30 milliamp we can switch on the RCCB. Here I shown to you connection diagram of RCCB with tester, and also you can check the voltage and frequency with pressing of test button. After voltage and frequency checking, tester knob shall take to auto ramp for testing the RCCB. Now select the current rating of RCCB 30 milliamp. Connect the terminals of RCD to the load, phase, neutral and earth. Currently checking the correct wiring of RCCB. After placing of the connection probes, press the test button. Now you can see the applied leakage current milliamp. Then RCCB gets stripped in set below value. I would like to show you the test again in closed view.
Okay.
Now we will check the RCCB in wrong connection. That means we will interchange the probes. We can see in left side of display flashing of L2 PE, L2 neutral, neutral to PE. That means RCCB connection wiring is wrong. We cannot check the RCCB in this condition even if press the test button. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.